Yo, what up? So it's Jonah. So last video I told you a little bit about my channel. I'm gonna be doing mostly gaming. I'm also gonna show you some other stuff of what's going on in my life. So this is a video of me riding my brand new dirt bike. I hope you enjoy. Woo! Woo! So that was me riding my Suzuki DRZ 125. It is almost brand new. It's only been driven 4 times before I got this. It's 2019, and that was only me in second gear. There's 5 gears, but I was just learning how to shift. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, click the thumbs up button and the notification bell, and yeah, bye.